Hello guys, I have some insane news. I can promise you one thing, and the thing is, if I tell something, I will do it because I'm a doer. A lot of people are not like me and just speaking and dreaming about things, but if you never start and never do something, it will never change. So for that reason, I've got another subscriber and my overall performance is now at around 730 views. And for me, it's a big number. I started to upload daily a new short to reach a lot of people so we can grow together, and I'm happy for every new subscriber. So this is something which I'm not able to have it as a goal because I can't choose if people want to see my videos or subscribe, because I can just, and this is one goal for myself, to improve with every video and deliver the best videos and informations as possible. So I share my knowledge, and with that I hope to grow, because this is as well one big investment for myself, and I document everything. I'm not a finance expert or a finance guru. I just show you what I'm doing and how I improve myself and grow, and improve as well my language with English. I improve so many things you couldn't imagine of, and I don't want to go too much in details, but if you're interested in it, I can tell you that. Just write it in the comments. So that was my YouTube journey. Before we go to my portfolio, I wanted to show you something, and that is on my YouTube channel. Give me a second. If we go on my channel and look into my description, you will see one goal of myself was to reach $10,000. And now you can think what I want to show you. It's a new year and new goals are achieved, and it will unlock for myself. So guys, I've got the $10,000 mark. And for me, it is insane, guys. These numbers are so huge. I can't believe it. I started to earn dividends. Don't ask me why, but probably from Google stocks. And I have at the moment around 483 on cash, and I want to invest it because I hope you can remember it. But 1 month ago, I had over $3,000 just aside in cash, and if I wouldn't invest it, the money would be just staying on my Interactive Broker account. And always believe me with that, you can't time the market, and if you invest in the market, the best timing was yesterday. I know it sounds stupid, but it will help you a lot to understand it. You can't time the market. So for that reason, everyone is speaking about the crash. I'm still waiting for the crash. But if I watch my older videos, we had a couple of little crashes over the time, and it takes out a lot of emotions. But at the end, you have to stay strong. It is a long-term game. It means it is a marathon, not a sprint. So let us go into my portfolio and see what is going on here. So I'm almost around $10,100. I have an unrealized profit and loss for around $860. My Google stock went insane, and I want to buy a little bit more of it, and as well I want to buy Woo because it's falling down in value. So for that reason I want to buy something else, and that is one more lithium stock. It calls Pilbara Minerals. I want to just buy it in case of it will grow over the time. I don't know. It is something which I really want to do. So for that reason I have around 476 in my local currency, and I want to change it first. Let me change it. So for that we go under trade and convert currency. I choose the currency that I have right now and the currency that I want. I want euros. For the euros, I want the amount of 100, and I will change that. Let me check how much the fees are. Okay, look, the commissions is 179. Let me do 100 and let me check again. Yeah, the fees are 179, but I have to do that. Otherwise, I don't have euros, and I want that really bad. Let me do more, guys. I don't care. I do 150. No, I do 160. I will show you why 160. Let us check first. Yes, 179 in fees, and I will accept. Okay, I want to convert more money. I have still 314 left. I choose again my local currency and the currency that I want. Now I want a couple of USD. So for that, I change 310 should be good. Let us preview that. It's again 179. So guys, I think if you convert more money, it makes more sense. If you have even more money, instead like I'm doing it with just a little bit of money. Let us check. I have almost $350 and 177 euros because I had a little bit of euros left. So for the euros, I want to buy Pilbara Minerals, and I will buy in euros 100 with the market price, and it will take me again commission and fees. Yeah, it's yes. If you do small amounts, it start to get even more expensive, but I want to do that. Let me think. I will buy more. I will buy for 115 euros. Yes, I will buy for 115 euros and I don't care. I bought it. And now your order has already been filled. That means I don't have to wait because the market is opened. And let me go a little bit down and let us check. Where is my Pilbara? It went a little bit. Oh no, it's still at the bottom. Oh wow, I didn't plant it, but I have exactly 100 stocks of Pilbara minerals. Okay, I have still 62 euros left and I want to buy something else, and that is on my watch list. I wanted to buy it the last time, but I couldn't. And it is Coca-Cola. I want to buy one. I probably don't have enough. Let me check. I'm able to buy one Coca-Cola stock. It feels like I calculated it, but I didn't. I want to buy not 100 shares. I want to buy one share. I hope my money is enough. It should be. Let us check if it goes through or not. Yes, my order has been filled. So yes, I have one Coca-Cola stock and 73 cents left, and in my local currency 277, and now I have still 347 USD and I want to split them. That means I can invest 173 each. So for Google I will buy for the value of $173. Let us preview that. And as you can see, the commissions and fees in the USD stocks are really low in comparison to the Europe stocks. So it is just 35 cents. So I will buy that. It has already been filled. That means like it's went through. Yes, I bought even more Google stocks. I love Google, guys. And the next is my WU. I don't forget my WU ETF. I have 174 left for my WU ETF and I want to buy that as well. So let me put in the USD value, 174. It should be going through, not the limit price. I want the market price because I want it now. Oh, I don't know if it's enough money, but I will try. Oh yes, it went through. Perfect. So let us check my portfolio. So I bought even more Google stocks because I believe it's still undervalued and it will go a lot over 200 and I will hold it for a long time. I don't care what is happening with Google or if it's go down. If we have a crash, everything will go down. And with my WU stocks, I have over 4 stocks right now. And overall, I have a profit of 62 USD almost. Something else which changed after this video is the Coca-Cola stock, which I bought one. And as well, I bought, I don't know how many it was. I think 74 Pilbara stocks. And I bought so many Pilbara stocks that I gained 100 in it. And yeah, guys, that's all for today. I'm really excited what the future will bring and especially what this year will bring. One of my goals, and I can tell you that, is to reach 20,000. So we started with 0, getting to 5, and from 5 to 10 was really quick because I've put a lot of money and effort in it. And now the next step is to getting the 20K. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay motivated and I hope I can help you with my videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.